The El Paso Children's Hospital is one of the premier medical centers in the world for treating kids with birth defects that affect the size of the skull, something that can even lead to death. Tonight we have extra depth on a procedure that was first developed and perfected right here in the borderland by late Dr. David Jimenez at the El Paso Children's Hospital. And the recent beneficiary, baby Amelia, who's been given the chance to lead a normal life. 2-month-old Amelia is held tight by her dad, Benjamin Duran.
Very privileged to be here.
Just a few hours after a technique called minimally invasive endoscopic craniosynostosis surgery.
If this continues and worsens, it can affect development, it can affect their ability to do well in school, it can affect their personality. In the worst cases, it can even cause blindness and death.
Dr. David Yates is the medical director for cleft and craniofacial surgery at the El Paso Children's Hospital. He and Dr. Zayad Makoshi performed the successful surgery to help allow Amelia to live a healthy life like other children.
It's really a unique privilege to be able to treat a kid who's 2 months old and has a disorder that could affect them very negatively for their whole life. It may even cause their life to end prematurely.
And that's the worst part for a father because you don't know what to expect, what to do.
Dr. Yates tells me before the surgery was performed by the late El Paso Dr. David Jimenez, the previous procedure included literally taking off almost the entire skull of the patient.
They swelled up. They ended up with pretty rough scars.
And if not for the revolutionary surgery for Amelia,
her brain could not grow at all like this. It could only grow like this. And it's like the brain is being forced into a small little cube.
Describe how incredibly thankful you are for the El Paso Children's Hospital for being there for you and your family.
Receiving so much love that it makes you feel that you're not alone in this.
It's common after surgeries like this one here at El Paso Children's Hospital for the patients to stick around for another 10 days. But of course, the family of Amelia, they don't mind at all. In fact, they're very appreciative of all the hospitality that people have given right here in El Paso.
Not only money, but prayers from different people that we sometimes we barely know.
Helping kids is, I feel like, just the highest level of what any of us can do.
Something also appreciated by Amelia's older brother, Maximo, as he smiles ear to ear along with mom and dad, knowing his sis can now live a normal life.
Truly, truly thank them.
Baby Amelia and her family had to fly from Chile and New Zealand right here to El Paso for the surgery. And as you can imagine, the travel and medical bills continue to mount up. They have a GoFundMe page, and you can find it in our article on kvia.com.
A wonderful story, Paul. Thank you. Singer Carrie Underwood is performing in El Paso this year. Details on the concert.